na gustong operitan ako, gusto nila kong operasyonan, gusto nila kong mahuli dahil may nag-utos sa kanila. I mean, yung mga reports na ginagawa nila, fabricated yan.
Totoo man yung aligasyon na may ginagawang mga milagro sa pagkandak na investigation.
Mag-validate kayo ng maayos. Kasi alam po namin na ganyan yung mga operation na yan. Once na rin akong nakikipag-communicate dati sa mga otoridad. Yung mga plano yan, yung mga planong ganyan, alam na alam namin.
Nagkamali po kayo dyan. Hindi po yan mangyayari because as the chairman of this committee, I will make sure that this committee cannot be utilized for anybody's political agenda. Kita mo?
Opo.
Pero hindi mo nakita na pumutok. Klaro
Si
natin,
Boyong,
pumutok
sir,
o hindi?
nakita ko yung pagputok nila.
Si Boyong, nakita mo, pumutok si Boyong.
Pati yung si Mamalapat po, sir.
Pumutok rin si Mamalapat.
Opo, sir.
Kung pumutok si Mamalapat, baka ibang baril ang ginamit.
Hindi ko alam. Basta, ang nakikita ko, naimimim yung dala niya, Berita, kasi may ilaw pa, sir, yung time ng pagbabarilin nila kami. Nung mabilis na yung putok nila, burst na, sir, pinatay po nila yung ilaw.
Okay.
Comfortable sleep wherever you are? Duyan now with Landshop! Available ang Duyan Frame Detachable, Duyan or Hammock Stainless Ring Pair without Carabiner, Duyan Stainless Ring Pair with Carabiner Set, Military Hammocks with Mosquito Net, Convertible Duyan Frame to sampayan ng damit! Rest and relax well even without trees or posts to anchor your Duyan. Matibay, garantisadong dekalidad at pangmatagalan ng gamitan. Landshop, your mobile comfort zone. Place your order now.
The names of the 12 suspects wherein the police was able to file murder cases and multiple frustrated murder cases, and also violation of or illegal possession of firearms, as well as violation of the COMELEC Resolution 10198 or the COMELEC gun ban. I will be presenting the general overview and facts of the case relative to the shooting
Recording in
incidents
progress.
in Cotabato City on 23 October 2023 that resulted in the killing of 3, wounding of 3, and arrest of 12 individuals. Sir, the technical aspect of investigation as well as the forensic examination result will be further discussed in detail by our forensic experts and other resource person. And according to the results of the paraffin test, all the arrested suspects yielded negative results, sir.
Sabi na positive sa umaga, negative sa hapon.
One firearm.
Fired from one firearm.
Yes, Your Honor.
What firearm?
9mm, Your Honor.
Yung issue sa police.
No, Your Honor.
Kaninong 9mm?
Hindi namin ma-determine, Your Honor, kasi hindi siya nag-match doon sa sinubmit and doon sa nakuha doon sa crime scene.
So paano mo na-cross-match? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Or talagang halos lahat ng suspect that were apprehended nag-negative talaga. Wala ni isa. Pati doon sa ballistics, walang nag-positive, walang nag-match. Parang ang hirap pa Mr. Chair, kasi kung if they were apprehended on site on that situation, so parang saan ang galing yung ginamit na baril at sino yung mga pumutok? Yung mga nagamit po doon sa mga lapas lang, ibang baril ang nagamit at iba rin po yung mga pumutok dahil yung mga suspect negative lahat.
Very serious allegations, ha? You are imputing to the police. So, kung totoo ito sinasabi mo, or as you said, bugso ng damdamin mo yun, nagalit kayo dahil namatayan kayo. Can you please, for the record, clarify to this committee kung itong lahat ng pinagsasabi mo ay paninindigan mo or binabawi mo or what? Anong status ngayon itong pinagsasabi mo? Because this is the meat of our investigation. Dahil kung sabihin mong totoo ito, hindi ako hinto sa kakaimbestigahan ng mga pulis.
Yes, sir.
Dahil ayoko talaga na ang pulis may involved sa kalukuhan. Pero kung sabihin mo na nagalit ka lang or what, at binabawi mo din, for the record, tell this committee para magawa natin ng kaukulang action. Discontentment, dissatisfaction with the results of crime lab. With that explanation coming from crime lab, ano ngayon masasabi mo? Nagdududa ka pa rin sa crime lab?
Ayun na po, ang bahala, humusga kung ano man ang magiging mangyayari. Hindi ako magsasalita kung sakaling malulunch nila yung operasyon, ako naman ang masama ng mga taga-Cotabateño ang mga plano against sa akin o sa aming pamilya. Ayun na po ang bahala, humusga kung ano man ang magiging mangyayari. Kung sakaling na yan against sa akin o sa aming nito, idaan nila sa red, papaoperitan nilang aming mga bahay, itong bahay namin dito sa aming college, kung saan dito natutulog yung mga anak namin ng mga estudyante, yung mga bahay, drugs, ang ipapatong nila sa atin, itatalog nila sa atin. Kaya nga sinabi ko, nagpatawag ako ng media, at least yung unit na gustong operitan ako, gusto nila kong operasyonan, gusto nila akong mahuli dahil may nag-utos sa kanila. So, andyan ang aking abogado at ang mga media na aking ipaprepare. Dala sila ng media nila, magpapaprepare ako ng media. Kasi papakita ko na hindi kami guilty sa lahat accusation nila sa amin. Yung mga reports na ginagawa nila, fabricated yan. Ginawa lang yan dahil inutusan sila. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito ang kalakaran ngayon sa Cotabato City. Kawawa naman yung mga taong walang alam ko, makakarating ito sa inyong himpilan, itong aking press con, bago po kayo magsagawa ng mga search warrant o mga bypass operation, mag-validate kayo ng maayos. Kasi alam po namin na ganyan yung mga operation na yan. Once na rin akong nakikipag-communicate dati sa mga otoridad. Yung mga plano yan, yung mga planong ganyan, alam namin.
Nung napanood na video at sa ilalim sa liham sa akin ni Mayor Matabalaw, pareho pong nanawagan ng tulong ang dalawang elected officials ng Cotabato City. Nais po natin na mabigyang linaw kung tunay ng may mistulang talamak na kapabayaan at pang-aapi ng kapulisan sa Cotabato City. At kung may mga taong nasa mataas na katungkulan ang kasangkot dito. Hindi po natin kayang ipasawalang bahala ang ganitong mga sumbong at hinaing ng ating mga halal na opisyal. Ang pundasyon ng ating buong kapulisan ay nakatungtong sa kanilang katapatan sa serbisyo sa bayan. We will always dream of an efficient and well-equipped police force with all the advanced crime-fighting weapons technologies can offer. But we will always need honest and principled police officers. There are some hesitations and doubts coming from other quarters na itong gagawin nating pagdinig ay magagamit sa political aggrandizement ng ibang quarters. Nagkamali po kayo dyan. Hindi po yan mangyayari because as the chairman of this committee, I will make sure that this committee cannot be utilized for anybody's political agenda. Kaya natin ito ginagawa dahil nga involved ang kapulisan as your chairman of the Senate Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs ay talagang problema natin yan kung pabayaan natin ang kapulisan kung may totoo man yung aligasyon na may ginagawang mga milagro sa pagkandak na investigation. if there's anybody who stands to benefit from this Senate inquiry in aid of legislation, it is not going to be the camp of Mayor Bruce Matabalao, neither the camp of Barangay Captain Bimbo Ayunan Pasaviran, but it is going to be the people of Cotabato City or the Cotabateños. Once the truth is established and the proper corrective measures can be instituted moving forward. So, ang pakiusap ko lang dito sa lahat ng ating mga resource person is please cooperate by telling the truth and nothing but the truth. So, help us sa Allah. Ha? Yun lang pakiusap ko sa ating mga resource person dito. Magsabi kayo ng totoo.
I will be presenting the general overview and facts of the case relative to the shooting
Recording in
incidents
progress.
in Cotabato City on 23 October 2023 that resulted in the killing of 3, wounding of 3, and arrest of 12 individuals. Sir, the technical aspect of investigation as well as the forensic examination result will be further discussed in detail by our forensic experts and other resource person. These are the names, sir, of the victims or of the shooting incident. 3 were killed. As shown, 1 was a candidate for Barangay Kagawad, Grocery Heights 12, in the person of Mr. Butukan, and also candidate for Barangay Kagawad, Barangay Kalanganan 2 in Cotabato City, Mr. Alfar Ayunan Pasawira, and 3 were wounded, sir, during that shooting incident. Shown.
Yung 3 wounded dyan, kasama talaga yan sa grupo nung namatay o kwan lang yan sila, yung nadamay lang yan doon sa putukan, tinamaan?
Kasama, sir, doon sa
Kasama
grupo
talaga?
na pumunta, sir.
Buong
Kasama.
grupo yan sila,
Yes,
yung
sir.
3 buhay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Next, please. Next. Pakiclick yung 12 suspects. These are the names of the 12 suspects wherein the police was able to file murder cases and multiple frustrated murder cases, and also violation of or illegal possession of firearms, as well as violation of the COMELEC Resolution 10198 or the COMELEC gun ban. All these 12 suspects, sir, were subjected to paraffin test. Please click paraffin test. And according to the results of the paraffin test, all the arrested suspects yielded negative results, sir, on the paraffin test conducted.
So, yan nga ang nireklamo nung barangay kapitan. Bakit
Yes,
to
sir.
negative?
Sir, this will explain further, sir, by our forensic expert, provincial forensic.
Isang bisis lang yung kinunan.
Yes, sir.
O hindi totoo yung sabi na positive sa umaga, negative sa hapon.
No, sir.
Hindi.
Only one was one, sir.
One-
Taken only one scenario.
Paraffin test lang.
One setting. Yes, sir.
So negative talaga.
Yes, sir. Negative. Based on the result of the examination survey, our forensic expert.
Thank you.
Next.
1 firearm.
Fired from 1 firearm.
Yes, Your Honor.
What firearm?
9mm, Your Honor.
Yung issue sa police.
No, Your Honor.
Kaninong
No.
nanimim yan?
Hindi namin ma-determine, Your Honor, kasi hindi siya nag-match doon sa sinubmit and doon sa nakuha doon sa crime scene.
So paano mo nag-cross match? Paano kita maintindihan? Fired from 9mm, nag-positive siya na nag-cross match?
No, Your Honor.
Hindi.
That was the recovered 9mm fired bullet. And
Fired
doon
bullet
sa,
na recover.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tapos,
And doon sa baril ng sir, hindi siya nag-match.
hindi nag-match.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa 9mm na recover sa
Yes.
crime scene,
Yes, Your Honor.
na baril.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Please continue.
Please, back. Pakibalik. Next. Next. Next, please. Next slide. As a result, sir, of the investigation, the Cotabato City Police Office was able to file 3 counts of murder cases and 2 counts of frustrated murder before the City Prosecutor Office of Cotabato City, docketed as shown. And that was on last October 2026, sir. The cases were inquested before the City Prosecutor's Office. Next. But however, sir, the case filed against Butch Tipay for COMELEC gun ban violation, sir, was dismissed. December 22, 2023, sir, the accused Bansuan, Mamalapat, Boyong, and Master Sergeant Tamalapat posted the necessary bail, sir, for 3 counts of murder and 2 counts of frustrated murder. And subsequently, the Police Station 1 of Cotabato City, they were released temporarily based on the court order issued by the Regional Trial Court after posting the necessary bail bond. Next. 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 And also, sir, on January 2, 2024, accused Kamad, Pagital, Alay, Ginat, Garcia, Mamalangkat, Bansuan, and Butch Tipay, they posted their bail for the 3 counts of murder and 2 counts of frustrated murder, and subsequently they were released also by the Cotabato City Police Office.
So lahat na ng 12 released on bail.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Continue.
Next. Next, please.
Hindi kayo nagtanong sa judge na, sir, murder yung pinahal namin, tapos bakit nakapag-bail ito?
Yes, sir. That was also the
Yung tinanong.
question, sir, of the PNP.
Anyway, alam naman ng judge yan eh. If there is insufficiency of evidence,
Yes, sir.
kahit na-inquest sila for murder, pag na-determine ng judge na may insufficiency of evidence, pwede niyang i-grant ang pag-post ng bail.
Yes, sir.
Diba? Discretion na yan ng judge.
Yes, sir.
Pero the basic tanong kagad ng ordinaryong tao, murder, bakit nakapag-bail? Diba? Yan ang
Yes, sir.
basic. Pero hindi alam ng ordinaryong tao na due to insufficiency of evidence,
That was, the bill was
Kaya-
granted, sir.
the bail was granted.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Sir, on January 12, sir, this year, we filed an admin case against Master Sergeant Mamalapat. That was January 12, sir. And the case now, sir, is pending for summary hearing at the Regional Intelligence Investigation Affairs Service of BAR.
Again, kapag administrative case, dapat mabilis kayong kumilos. Ha?
Yes, sir.
Huwag na kayo maghintay sa korte kung anong maging decision ng korte. Dahil criminal case, matagal yan. Dapat tayo, very swift tayo mag-dispose ng administrative case natin. Ilang months na yung kaso ni Mamalapat?
That happened, sir, last October 23.
October, November, December,
November,
January,
December.
February. So huwag naman yung paabutin ng 1 taon yan. Diba?
Yes, sir.
Pag admin case, mabilis tayo dapat.
But
Para-
in this particular case, sir, under Section 39, sir, of Republic Act 8551, ito, sir, yung mga cases, because this is a grave in nature, supposed to be, sir, ito yung dapat motu proprio investigation that will be conducted by the RIA.
Precisely.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Huwag kayo magpakita ng hesitation dyan pagdating
Yes,
sa
sir.
kaso ng mga tao natin. Tingin ninyo na talagang dapat i-dismiss.
Yes, sir.
Kung kailangan na hindi i-dismiss dahil hindi siya guilty, then i-absorb nyo kaagad. Kung hindi siya guilty. Ang importante, sweep yung administration of justice natin sa PNP, huwag patagal-tagalin.
Opo, sir.
Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Ano lang yun? Kung guilty, guilty. Pag not guilty, not guilty. Basta you stand by your decision. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
At mabilis.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Ganito yung rules ng committee, no? We cannot entertain your lawyer to speak before this committee. Ang role ng lawyer dito is just to give you advice. Kayo mga invited na mga resource person, kayo talaga pakikinggan namin. Sige lang, hingi ka lang ng advice sa lawyer mo and just heed to his advice kung anong advice niya. Sabihin mo lang yung gusto mong sabihin. Lang dito is in aid of legislation moving forward para hindi na maulit kung anong dapat i-correct dyan sa Cotabato City as far as public order is concerned. Kaya nga, do you stand by your statement? Yung sinabi mo, yung mga allegation mo. Marami kang inaalis eh. Number one, ganito. Simula sa ngayong araw, ibabaybas ang 3 brothers, meaning 3 kayo magkapatid.
Opo.
Pareho kayong barangay kapitan.
Opo.
Ang 3 brothers, ilalans ang 3 search warrants against Cap Bimbo. Options of the police according to him. Tataniman ako drugs at gumagawa ng solusyon ay ang authority para mapatay ako.
Recording
Alam
in
nyo,
progress.
these are very serious allegations. You are imputing to the police. So, kung totoo ito sinasabi mo, or as you said, bugso ng damdamin mo yun, nagalit kayo dahil namatayan kayo. Can you please, for the record, clarify to this committee kung itong lahat ng pinagsasabi mo ay paninindigan mo or binabawi mo or what? Anong status ngayon dito ang pinagsasabi mo? Because this is the meat of our investigation. Dahil kung sabihin mong totoo ito, hindi ako hinto sa kakaimbestigahan ng mga pulis.
Yes, sir.
Dahil ayaw ko talaga na ang pulis may involved sa kalukuhan. Pero kung sabihin mo na nagalit ka lang or what, at binabawi mo din, for the record, tell this committee para magawa natin ng kaukulang action. Sige nga, anong masasabi mo dito?
Yung nasabi ko po is dala lang po yun ng aming sama ng loob, sir, sa dami po ng naririnig namin na bali-balita lang. So hindi ko po napigilan yung sarili ko. Hindi ko po napigilan yung sarili ko maglabas ng aking ninanaing po, sir.
You have your lawyer, ha? You can ask your lawyer for advice, legal advice sa mga sinasabi mo dito. So, ibig mo sabihin, binabawi mo yung sinabi mo doon sa press ko na yon?
Parang ganun na po.
Hindi yung parang gano'n na. You must be
Opo.
klaruhin mo yung sinasabi
Opo,
mo.
sir. Opo, sir.
For the record, nire-record na dito.
Opo, sir.
So hindi totoo yung sinasabi
Hindi
mo
po,
na ang pulis ay tataniman ka ng droga.
Opo, sir.
Hindi totoo yung sinasabi mo na yung pulis ay inuutusan ng nakakataas na i-raid kayo para mapatay kayo. Hindi yung totoo.
Opo, sir. Opo, sir.
Tapos yung sinasabi mo na yung results ng forensic examination, forensic investigation ay hindi totoo.
Ibang usapan na po yung regarding po sa parapin test po.
So, ang parapin test, hindi mo win-withdraw.
Hindi po yung parapin test po. Yung sa parapin test po, is nagugulat po kami kasi nandun kami sa shooting incident. Kitang-kita namin si Mamalapat nandun sa shooting incident at nakatutok yung baril nila sa amin kasama si Boyong. Bakit naging negative po sila sa parapin test? Idalawang mata namin. Hindi lang po ako, si Cap Idris, si Cap Liling, si Cap Melissa, pati yung mga pamilya namin na nandun, pati yung wounded na witness namin, nakita nila na si Mamalapat po, si Boyong is nandun at nakatutok yung kanilang baril. Kita-kita po yung kanilang pagbaril sa amin po.
Okay, ikot kita dyan.
Opo.
Nakatutok ang baril.
Opo.
Nakita mo.
Opo.
Pero hindi mo nakita na pumutok. Klaro natin,
Si Boyong,
pumutok
sir,
o hindi?
nakita ko yung pagputok nila.
Boyong, nakita mo, pumutok si Boyong.
Pati yung si Mamalapat po, sir.
Pumutok rin si Mamalapat.
Opo, sir.
Kung pumutok si Mamalapat, baka ibang baril ang ginamit.
Hindi ko alam. Basta, ang nakikita ko, naimimim yung dala niya, Berita, kasi may ilaw pa, sir, yung time ng pagbabarilin nila kami. Nung mabilis na yung putok nila, burst na, sir, pinatay po nila yung ilaw.
Okay, so klaruhin natin.
Opo.
All other allegations na sinabi mo doon sa press con, binabawi mo.
Opo, sir.
Dala lang yung nabukso ng
Opo.
damdamin, except
Dun sa...
yung akusasyon mo tungkol dito sa results ng crime lab investigation, yung
Opo, sir.
paraffin test.
Opo, sir.
Okay, sige. Balikan kita. Crime lab, can you explain?
Sir, good morning again. The result of the paraffin tests are all negative for the persons, 12 persons. Sir, even though if the person fired a gun, it will give a negative result because of several factors. Number one, for example, if you wear a gloves, of course the gunpowder residue will not embed the gunpowder nitrates on your hand. So that's why it will give you a negative result. Number two, the wind velocity. If the wind is strong enough that it will not embed to your hand, of course, the paraffin gas will give negative result. Second, the humidity. And third, the barrel of the gun. It is much more farther from your hand. The gunpowder residue will not land to your dorsal portion of your hand. And if you fire a gun to a horizontal against vertical, most probably the vertical will give you a positive, while the horizontal will give you a negative result. That are those factors, Your Honor.
Thank you for that explanation. Nakuha mo, Barangay Kapitan, na sabi ng crime lab, I'll rephrase na sinasabi ng crime lab, yung sinasabi nila na negative for paraffin test, hindi yan ibig sabihin na hindi siya pumutok ng baril. Dahil may mga factors na pwede mangyari. Hindi mo pa sinabi yung isang factor na matanggal yan kapag mayroon kang ihugas na ihugas na tanggal sa kamay mo. After ka pumutok, maghugas ka ng suka, ano ba yung mga style na yan? Sige nga.
Your Honor, I will negate that claim. It is because suka is an acetic acid which is insoluble doon sa hindi niya madidissolve ang gunpowder residue.
Hindi ma-dissolve.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero matanggal. Pwede matanggal kung...
As a chemist, Your Honor, because I am a chemist by profession,
Okay.
and the nitrates will not dissolve, the acetic acid will not dissolve
Thank you.
gunpowder nitrates.
Thank you for that explanation.
Sir Chair?
Yes, go ahead.
Sige, klaruin lang natin ulit, no? Sa PNP, and everybody can, again, for the record, talagang halos lahat ng suspect that were apprehended, nag-negative talaga. Wala ni isa. Pati doon sa ballistics, walang nag-positive, walang nag-match. Parang ang hirap pa, Mr. Chair, kasi kung if they were apprehended on site, on that situation, so parang saan ang galing yung ginamit na baril at sino yung mga pumutok? Siniklaim ito ng kapitan, nakita ito si Master Sergeant na nandun din po. Can you explain?
Thank you, Senator JB. Can you
Your
respond?
permission, Your Honor.
Yeah,
Ballistic examination is different from paraffin test, Your Honor.
Yeah, we know that.
The paraffin test,
Makakasabi nyo na
but
kasi
sir,
negative lahat eh. Wala
yes.
rin nag-match. So,
Yes, sir.
we just want for the record, because of the incident, na lahat ng nahuli nyo, lahat negative sa paraffin, pati sa ballistic, wala nag-match. So,
Your Honor, the firearms which we have examined did not match to those fired cartridges that were recovered at the crime scene. It means hindi po nagamit yung mga baril doon.
ibig sabihin, yung mga nagamit po doon sa mga napaslang, ibang baril ang nagamit at iba rin po yung mga pumutok. Dahil yung mga suspect, negative lahat. Yung mga baril, wala akong nag-match doon sa inyong ballistics.
Probably, Your Honor.
Well, narinig yung explanation ng PNP, di ba?
Opo, sir.
It doesn't mean na negative siya sa powder burns ay hindi siya pumutok ng baril. Maraming factors na sinasabi niya.
Opo.
So, for the record, Crime Lab, did anybody influence you to make the results negative? For the record.
Thank you for the question, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Nobody will dictate the result of our examination, Your Honor. particularly, and anyone cannot dictate us because we are a man of science.
Thank you for that.
Recording in progress.
Thank you for that answer. Ako, para sa lahat. Ito, para sa lahat ito, ha. I've been the chief PNP. Lahat sigurong mga desisyon, prangkahan lang tayo dito. Including Rias, pwede ko makashare na aking sentimento at pwede akong pakinggan ng Rias pagdating sa decision making nila kung sino i-dismiss o hindi. Pwede ko ma-influence yung si IDJ. Sabihan ko na si IDJ, tingnan nyo kung paano yan, alam na nyo. Ha? Pwede. Pero pagdating sa crime lab, ako, honest, swear to God, swear to Allah, sasabihan ka talaga ng crime lab na, sir, that is against our professional conduct. Hindi talaga yan pwedeng baguhin. At kami naman, nakakataas sa kanila sa crime lab, never din kami mag-attempt talaga kausapin silang baguhin yung kanilang results ng kanilang ginagawang investigasyon dahil kung ikakasira yan ng crime lab, ikakasira yan na buong PNP. Di ba? So nobody talaga kahit na kapatid ko magpa-drug test dyan, tapos positive, sa halimbawa, positive kapatid ko. Sabihan ka ng crime lab, sir, wala kami magawa dyan. Hindi ko talaga pwedeng gawing negative ito. Sa totoo lang, ha, that's my honest declaration to everyone listening here. Dahil nga, kung meron mang the last institution ng PNP na pwedeng babalasubasin ng PNP leadership is the crime lab. That I can tell you straight in the eye. Never mong madidilute ang result ng crime lab. Aside from the professionalism of the people in the crime lab, science-based talaga yan sila. Hindi yan po pwedeng influence-based, kundi science-based talaga yung kanilang findings. So, kung magduda kayo, normal yan. Na magduda kayo, lalo na ikaw, nakita mo talaga na puputok siya. Pero sabi nga ng crime lab, it doesn't mean na pag negative siya, hindi rin siya puputok. At alam ko, mayroong mga Supreme Court ruling dyan. Hindi ko na lang basahin dito. Pero alam ko may mga Supreme Court ruling dyan. So, as far as your discontentment, dissatisfaction with the results of crime lab, with that explanation coming from crime lab, ano ngayon masasabi mo? Nagdududa ka pa rin sa crime lab?
Excuse me, sir.